Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the another latest update of the Chinese token. Absolutely, that's a good news. That's a surprise news for all Chinese holders, because in this video you can see here, my friends, you can see here that every Chinese is going positive and the Chinese. So that's why, my friends, that's why I'm telling you that's a good news for all Chinese holders. So first of all, very congrats to all Chinese holders, because now this time the changes is going positive, so it's really a good news for all holders. Anyways, my friends, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button, also like this video for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time the latest price of the Chiliz is 0.250643 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Chiliz, my friends. Now at this time live price of the Chiliz, and now at this time the changes of the Chiliz is positive, so the price started increasing, my friends. At this time the price start increasing, so that's why I'm feeling very good. Hope you all also feeling good about the Chiliz, my friends. Tell me in the comment books. Tell me in the comment books, how do you feel today about Chiliz? And let me show you the price chart, that what's going on in the Chiliz. Oh my goodness, my friends, that is the last 3-month price chart of the Chiliz, and you can see here from the previous last 3 months the price of Chiliz is completely going down. Completely, my friends, the price falls down occurs in the Chiliz. But now in the last of June, everything changes, every change is going positive and the Chiliz. That's why I'm feeling good. That's why I'm feeling satisfied about the Chiliz. Absolutely, you will get a good amount of profit if you hold for Chiliz for long term. For long term, if you hold. So for profit, you have to subscribe my channel, because I will guide you, and absolutely I will give you the latest update about cryptocurrencies market, and update is very important for all of you. Thanks for watching this video, my friends, and also subscribe my channel for updates and news videos. Hope you like this video, and tell me in the comment box your opinion, your target, your prediction about Chiliz token.